Hey kids, welcome to section 7.3, amount financed. Today we're going to talk about how you can calculate the down payment in the amount financed on an installment loan. So if you were interested in starting a small business, what would it be? If you could start a business, if you could borrow money from somewhere, and if you could start a business, what would that business be? Think about it. Maybe it's something you want to do in the future. So some vocab today. You could apply for an installment loan to finance the purchase of a new or used vehicle, such as a car, truck, or motorcycle. You can repay an installment loan in equal payments over a specified period of time. So last time we talked about a single payment loan where you borrow money and you pay back the money with interest at a one single time. But now we're going to talk about an installment loan. And so this is a loan that you repay in equal payments over a specified period of time. Like when you borrow money to buy a house, you can get a 15-year mortgage, a 20-year mortgage, or a 30-year mortgage, and that's how long it'll take you to pay back the loan. So usually when you purchase an item with an installment loan, you must make a down payment first. And that down payment is a portion of the cash price of an item you are purchasing, which you pay before financing the rest on credit. This could be a dollar amount or a percent of the cash price. So you could, let's say, if you want to go buy a car, you might have to put $2,000 down as a down payment, and then whatever amount is left, you would then finance and pay off over a specified number of payments over a specified number of years. So that amount that you finance is going to be the portion of the cash price owed after making that down payment. So if you know the exact amount of the down payment, then you can just find the amount financed by subtracting the cash price and the down payment. If instead the down payment has a certain percentage, like you have to give 10% down or 5% down, then you would first calculate that down payment amount by multiplying by the percentage, and then you can subtract it. So sometimes the down payment is a certain percentage of the price of the amount that you are borrowing, other times, or purchasing, other times it's a specified amount like $2,000 or $1,000. So here's some examples. Number one, Trudy Quintero is buying gym equipment for $1,399. She makes a $199 down payment and finances the rest. How much does she finance? So all I have to do is take the purchase amount, $13,999 or $1,399, and subtract the down payment of $199, and that leaves $1,200 to finance. And when I say how much does she finance, that means how much does she borrow? Does she borrow? So to finance means to borrow. Okay, number two, Rosalind Clay purchased a previously owned piano for $1,140 using the store's installment credit plan. She made a 20% down payment. Find the down payment. So if I want to find the down payment, all I have to do is take the amount I'm going to finance and multiply it by the 20%. So $1,140. I multiply by 0.20, and that tells me that my down payment is $228. So that's how much I have to put down to get the item, and then I'll pay the rest on installments. So then the amount that I need to borrow is the cash price and subtract off the down payment. And this is going to be my finance amount. So that's $912. Sometimes stores will do this. It used to be called layaway, where you could go to Walmart and, if you were a little low on cash, you could put a down payment on, and they would hold your items until you finished paying it off a little bit at a time, and then you could take your items when it was fully paid off. So it's kind of like a down payment, but not, similar. Okay, example number three, Antonio Reyes purchased an antique chest for a $1,360 cash price. He made a 25% down payment. Part A, find the down payment. So the down payment is the cash price, $1,360, times the down payment percentage, which in this case is 0.25. If I multiply this, I get a down payment of $340. That's how much I have to put down as a down payment. To find the amount financed, I'm going to take that cash price of $1,360 and I'm going to subtract the down payment that I just calculated, $340, which means that Antonio is going to borrow $1,020. So this is not calculating interest yet. This is simply how much he's going to borrow. All right, number 4, Maya Donardo purchased a diamond bracelet for $1,725. The down payment was 30%. Find the amount she financed. So in order to find the amount she financed, I first have to find the down payment. So the down payment is going to be the cash price, $1,725, multiplied by the down payment percentage, which is 30%. If I do this, I get a down payment of $517.50. To find the amount financed, I can take the purchase price, which is $1,725, and subtract the down payment, $517.50. And this gives me an amount financed of $1,207.50. That's how much money she's going to finance. That's how much money she's going to borrow, that she's then going to pay off in equal installments for a specified period of time. Okay. So remember, when you purchase something, you might have to put down a down payment, which could be a dollar amount or it could be a percentage. And then whatever is left from the cash price would be the amount financed. All right. Remember, if you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.